Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing what can slow down Forex trading momentum. The Forex market reportedly turns over more than $5 trillion every single trading day. It is the most liquid business on the planet, and it keeps growing, with the retail side of business maintaining steady growth, while extra brokerages are opening up and more ordinary people are trading online from home. The growth of the education side of the market is also helping to attract would-be traders, with promises of unknown secrets being opened up to them and quick riches to be made from trading. While these topics are great material for another video, today we need to get back to the point of Forex trading momentum. At times the market is absolutely flying with lots of liquidity and volatility. This causes huge swings on price action and exchange rates moving over 1 to 200 pips in a session. In the next moment, this suddenly stops in its tracks, almost flattens out during periods of consolidation. So what causes this? There are several reasons for this, but first of all, let's take a look at the biggest reason. Here is a timetable of the trading centers where Forex trading goes on 24 hours, 5 days a week. The time zones are based on Greenwich Mean Time in this example, and we can see that London, including Frankfurt, begins its trading day around 7 a.m. in the morning. New York follows from 12 noon, Sydney joins the market shortly after 9 p.m., with Tokyo joining the market about 11 p.m. As with many other businesses, typically you will find a surge of activity when people begin their day's work. The Forex market is no different. Traders start work at their desks and need to make money as quickly as possible, simply because that's what they get paid to do, and because they will have orders from paying clients which need entering into the market for varying reasons, including hedging, closing out winning trades from overnight or longer timeframes, closing out losing trades from overnight or longer timeframes, or simply fresh speculative orders to be executed. They also need to manage or correct positions where they may have gone home in the evening, and the later sessions pushed a particular trade in an unexpected trend. Plus, they will need to try and make money with their own bank's trades. Just like most people, energy levels tend to fade off after a couple of hours from starting work, and people need a break. That is why shortly after the beginning of the London and European session and Sydney and Tokyo sessions, we begin to see lulls in the market after a couple of hours of trading. This also happens during the latter stages of the US sessions. However, this does not include the morning of the New York session, and the key reason is there will likely be economic data releases from the United States during their morning. This is where the US dollar, being the most widely traded currency, has a greater propensity to affect the market direction after release of economic data than any other release. And so, another reason for the lulls in the market activity can be attributed to traders waiting for key market economic data to be released, and where the higher the likely impact of the data, the more likelihood of caution before the data release, which can cause flattening in exchange rates while traders anticipate the release. Another major reason for quiet times in the ending of the New York session and the beginning of the Asian session, and where it is not unusual for 5 areas to have varying views about where their forex exchange rates should be, which adds to the ebb and flow of the foreign exchange market, and where typically as well, the slowdown which is reflected on charts by periods of consolidation. We can often see price reversals and trend changes in direction at the end of one session and the beginning of another. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.